Hey guys, today's video is not a repair video. It is just a video that I wanted to make because I want to push myself a little bit. Now, I've had this YouTube channel for 15 years, since 2010. 15 years making videos on and off. And that's going to change. It's going to stop. I'm done with YouTube. Nah, of course not. I'm not done with YouTube. Um, but what I am setting a goal. I am going to. So this is kind of a announcement, if you will. Nah, not really announcement, but also in a way, yeah, it's an announcement. I will from next week. I'm gonna be uploading or doing my very best to upload weekly, one video per week. It may not all be like intense repair videos or anything like that, but I will post a video once a week as long as my health, i.e., the leg, allows me to. And with that, I've also done something else. I've set up a Patreon account. I didn't think I was going to do that or even announce that I did that, but I have set up a Patreon account, and I figured I don't expect anyone to be a patron of mine, and my content will always be free. I will post whatever I can. I will do whatever I can for the repair community. And what I wanted to say is that if you feel like I set the lowest, I mean, there's free and then there's the lowest paid. I set to $1. I think I made four levels. $1, $5, $10, and $20. And I figured if I don't have a Patreon account, I for sure won't have any patrons. Goes without saying. But if I set up a Patreon account, maybe, just maybe, somebody will be a patron of mine, and what I, whatever means that should come from Patreon will go back into my videos. Always. Nothing else. It will be either I can buy a faulty device or some equipment to test, you know, all those kind of things. Because I don't really do paid endorsements. Because my opinion will always be my opinion. You can't buy my opinion. If I like something, I will tell you I like it. If I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it. And if somebody contacts me and says, hey, can you review this for us? I mean, yeah, I can do that. But it will be my honest opinion. If I don't like the product you sent me, I will tell my viewers, you, that I don't like it. If they say, but you can't say that, well, then you can move along because that's not for me. You cannot pay me to say something in any way, shape, or form. But I figured I'd set up a Patreon and I created them. So if you want to help me, the link to my Patreon is down in the description. I'll put a card up somewhere for my Patreon, and it's also in my YouTube bio. I don't know what you call it, but it's in those links there. Along, I've actually had a PayPal donate link forever in that, and I'd sort of forgotten about it, but I do have it there, and yeah, anything that somebody wants to help me with, much appreciated, but you don't have to. I'll still continue to make content regardless. But the big thing was that I'm going to do anything I can to post at least one video per week. It might be a shorter video if I can make something short, or it may be a full on repair video. Just I will post one video a week. This is sort of to push myself. I've also created a Discord server that's like my channel name is Let Us Repair, Geir Andersen, which is my name. Let Us Repair. I have a Discord also down in the description and maybe in a card somewhere. Feel free to join. And I've set up so that the third level, I think it is, second or third level on Patreon also gets a premium channel just for Patreons or patrons. So it's in the details of the on the Patreon for the tiers. But feel free to join the Discord. I'm also in a lot of other Discords. You know, I'm in Soren's, I'm in JFix's or Nathan's, JFix and Nathan, which is parts people. Um, since Nathan doesn't have his own, it, they all go to James's or JFix's channel or JFix's server. I'm in Swindon and this server. I'm in MKFix and Wolfpack. You know, all the all the repair channels and some non-repair. But join on the Discord. That is of course free. If you are a patron, you get a extra bonus channel. But come, let's hang out, and we'll see you in my next video. Oh, by the way, I haven't completely landed on which day of the week, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be Thursday. I mean Thursday. Get that? Yeah. So Thursdays for the Norse god. Most likely it'll be Thursdays. Some point during the afternoon Norwegian time. I'm guessing like five or six, between 4 and 6 p.m. Norwegian time, and just Google what time zone it is. Oslo, Norway. See you in my next video.